And how are we going to explore this question? And we're going to use as a system the Saxon rotation. So let me walk you here through these two pictures. Here is a picture of the fructose lake, and each one of these green structures, polygons, are cells, are epithelial cells. And here, this structure that you see here, and then you see here is called the sexcom. And as you see, change during rotation. And during rotation, as you can see here in the two pictures, there are multiple changes, multiple cell rearrangement. I'm going to focus on three main cell behaviors that are dramatic changes in apical cell area. So these cells are very small, and then they start becoming that they start increasing in apical area, while on above the comb in this region, if you see the tissue, the cells were bigger and they start becoming smaller. So we wanted to know what happened in this region and what is the mechanism happening there. Also, they have to mix, they have to exchange cell neighbors, and also some of them will disappear, and we will analyze that during the movies. So why this process of rotation can be important to study early, and why it's important to study sexcom rotation? Because it's important, because it can the sexcom rotation can mimic the early stages of tumor growth. While a tumor is growing, you see this schematic here. We have in purple a tumor that is growing, and besides that we have an epithelia. While if you see surrounding in this schematic, surrounding the tumor, the cells start getting smaller and they start being pressured because the tumor start growing. So the epithelial cells have to readjust to a change in cell density. As the tumor start growing, the normal cells start having less space, and some of them they will have to mix, change in cell area, and some of them will have to die. During the rotation, in a natural scenario, like in a natural case, without a tumor cell, we have a tissue that is growing, yeah, and it's expanding. And here we have the sexcom, and above the sexcom we have an epithelium that also have to readjust and also have to exchange neighbors, have to reduce in apical cell area, and also will have some of them that will have to extrude. So in some way, these two these two processes that seem to be so different, they have certain similarity. So we're going to study to use the sexcom to study to try to answer this question and try to understand these early stages of cancer.